Hey, welcome to Art2, a channel for those looking to sell their art online. If you've ever taken any art classes in school, you're probably familiar with the different mediums and styles that are out there. But have you ever thought about how your art skills can be put to use outside of the classroom? There are a lot of career paths that go along with being an artist, and it's something to consider if you're not sure. If art is really your thing, in this video, we're going to discuss ways you can make money as an artist. An art degree or study of art is not always necessary in order to be a great artist. Many famous artists didn't even have any formal training when they started their careers. Art is a form of expression that can be used in many different ways. Whether you're a painter, sculptor, or graphic designer, an art degree can help you get started in the industry. There are many things you can do with an art degree, like work for advertising agency. The sky's the limit. As an artist, you can make money from a variety of different sources. You can sell your artwork online or in person, teach others how to create art, or you can create commissioned works and more. Here are some income streams that you can generate as an artist. If you want to sell your artwork, you need a group of people who are interested in buying it or learning more about how to create it. Here are some things you can do to get more people interested in your work. If you're looking for a way to make some extra money, selling your original art is an option you may want to consider. With a little bit of effort, you can sell your work online or through traditional galleries. And if you do well, you can even make some money doing what you love. So if you've been itching to get into the art scene but don't know how, selling your own work could be the way to go. It's getting discovered that's the tricky part in how you're going to sell your art. Some artists create digital work that they can sell online. It can generate passive income for years to come without the need to ship or have any customer service issues. Many people sell and buy digital art on Etsy, and it's a pretty popular way for people to get affordable art quickly. That's one way you can sell your art online. Another way is to join a print-on-demand platform like Redbubble, and people get your art printed on various products. You can earn a commission when you make a sale. Not bad that you can make money while you sleep. Where do you want your art to be seen? On postcards, stickers, clothing? Print on demand gives you a lot of flexibility and options of where you can place your designs and how people will purchase those designs in different form factors. With so many ways to display your creativity, it can be hard to know where to start. That's why print on demand has become a popular way that artists can sell their art online. And if you're looking to get more ideas on starting a print on demand business, there's definitely more than enough videos on this channel that can help you get started, and a bunch of playlists that will give you information on how to sell print on demand and get your art in front of more people. Art can be sold in a variety of ways, but one of the most common is through social media. You can post your art on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter and allow people to buy it directly from you through your own website. This can be a great way to get exposure for your work and make some money as well. YouTube is another great way to build an audience and sell your product. You can create content showing people how you create your designs and then offer links to your products or ask supporters to support you through Patreon. There are many artists on YouTube that will give little thank yous to the people that support them on Patreon by either sending them a thank you card, a sticker with their design on them, posters. It all depends on how much the person donates to your Patreon account, and you can have different levels of what you'll offer them. This is a great way to encourage your audience to support you. You can show them how you created the art, and then if they are a Patreon supporter, they can purchase that or get it through that subscription to the Patreon. So it's definitely worked for a lot of YouTubers who are artists, that they've created an interest in their work and also been able to make money by offering their subscribers, their Patreon subscribers, something in return for that patronage and for helping them out. Plus, if you build an audience on YouTube, you can earn money from your videos. Since you're already creating art, why not film it and share the process with the world? You can get AdSense on your videos or sponsorships depending on how big your channel grows. So YouTube has definitely become another way that artists are sharing their work with the world and also earning an income from their art and their creative process. Online art lessons can be a great way to learn about oil painting, the basics of oil painting, or landscape painting. With a program like Zoom, you can deliver your lessons directly to computer screens all over the world. This makes it easy to set up an online business where people can learn from a professional instructor like you from anywhere in the world. So there you have it, a few ways that you can make money with your art skills. If you enjoyed today's video and have not already subscribed, do it now so you don't miss the next video. And giving this video a like is always appreciated. Until the next one, have a great day, guys, and we'll see you soon.